No. No.
Wait.
No. Wait.
Oh shit. Is this gonna be loud?
No.
Hold on.
No, it's gonna be quiet, guys. It's muffled.
Fuck, hold on.
Muffle.
No, hold on.
Alright, you're good.
Everybody be quiet so we can hear it.
Alright.
Well, that was an epic fail. My turn, ain't it?
Cody, zoom in on it so you can see.
Let a black man shoot.
Let me go one time.
Okay, hang on.
Better zoom out.
Wait. Oh shit, it's gonna be loud.
Yeah.
I'll try not.
Whoa! Holy shit! That was badass! Holy crap! Dude, that you can still hear that go. Whoa!